Your lips glisten in that snippet of video. I could bite and suck them all. An open lipless, oh, oh. I'm a nice little cooling dove that you can get a hold of. I'm a nice little cooling dove that you can get a hold of. I'm coming through the screen, crawling on your table, my mouth against your neck, a trickling sap of maple. I'm a nice little cooling dove that you can get a hold of. I'm a nice little cooling dove that you can get a hold of. I'm a girl you can hold. 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 This leaking under this tarp up like blue powder. I'm all silver, grinned by the crease. I'm all glass tower on the road. pour itself into. I'm a crow chariot, wet and deep, watching through the glass. Don't you need a river mouth, a warm pot of hope, someone to pour itself into? Don't you need a river mouth, a warm pot of hope, someone to pour yourself into? Someone. Rebecca Molina. Working it out, you're working it out, working it out, and you give me the hug of a brother. You're working it out, working it out, and your body can care for another. You're working it out, working it out. Your body can care, body can care, your body can care, body can care. Working it out, you're working it out, working it out, and I give you smooth hug of a sister. You're working it out, working it out. And my body can care for another. You're working it out, working it out. You'll be working it out, working it out, working it out.